Hey everyone! Today I'm thrilled to take you inside a place where every corner tells a story, where the magic of cinema meets real-world adventure. Welcome to Ramoji Film City, the world's largest integrated film city. Located in the vibrant city of Hyderabad, India, this isn't just a film city, it's a universe of its own, waiting for you to explore. From the moment you step in, it feels like walking onto a movie set, with surprises at every turn. Imagine dining at a Bahubali-themed restaurant, where every dish and decor piece whirls you into the grandeur of ancient kingdoms. Or maybe you prefer a taste of the West. They've got that covered too, from Rajasthani snacks to mouth-watering Western cuisine. But here's the kicker. It's not only about eating and gazing. Ramoji Film City is a thematic holiday destination. Whether you're a die-hard cinephile or just looking for a unique place to unwind, this place has something special for everyone. What makes Ramoji stand out? It's the variety. You can choose from a range of exclusive tailor-made packages that cater to every budget and preference. Whether it's a special tour package or a luxurious stay package, they've designed it to enhance your experience, ensuring every moment is as exciting as a climax scene in a blockbuster film. So, whether you're planning a family trip, a solo adventure, or just a day out with friends, Ramoji Film City promises an unforgettable journey into the world of movies. And who knows? Maybe you'll leave feeling like the star of your own film. Alright folks, that's a wrap on today's adventure. If this peek into Ramoji Film City has ignited your cinematic soul, consider this your personal invitation to step into this magical realm. Trust me, it's an experience you don't want to miss. Catch you in the next one.